investors want to know, should they hire a 1099 or a W-2 driver for their trucks? First of all, if they're 1099, they're not an employee, right? They are a contractor. So they have a driver contractor agreement, kind of like with how Uber has with their drivers, right? Uber is the parent company. Then you have the driver. Uber provides the loads, which is the passenger, and the insurance through third parties. And then if you have a W-2 worker, a W-2 truck driver, you're taking out taxes now, right? You're giving them benefits. That person's an employee. So they have different benefits and protections based on what the state says. The state says if they're an employee, you have to protect this, protect that, take out taxes. You can't just fire them in different states, and you have other protections there. It's going to cost you more because you have matching funds. You have to match for taxes. So think about that when you're hiring.